Tobest Company is a high-end, intelligent national high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production and sales. We focus on the thread rolling machine, thread rolling dies industry for 26 years. We have 3 invention patents, 11 practical new patents, 14 appearance patents, and 10 software copyrights. Since 2007, the company has implemented ISO 9001-2008 International Quality Management System and adopted ERP digital management. We currently has the most complete thread rolling machine models in China with 20+ models. Among them, there is a 2-row hydraulic thread rolling machine with maximum 50 tons rolling pressure, mainly for wind power generation, oil exploitation, railway boats and other industries. 3-row CNC thread rolling machine with 100 tons rolling pressure for self-drill rock anchors, fin tubes and other products. We have the first domestic advanced double servo feed CNC thread rolling machine, mainly for aerospace, medical supplies, high-precision drive screw, automotive precision parts. We have been pursuing the equipment to meet the high technology, high efficiency, and high quality standards. We can not only offer the best automatic thread rolling solutions for customers, but also make customized equipment according to the customer industry assessment to meet the needs of the product. Due to the good rolling performance and high cost performance, our machines have been favored by customers at home and abroad. Our products are exported to Germany, the United States, Poland, Russia, Australia, and other more than 50 countries and regions around the world. In China, CRRC, Panasonic, Beijing Guangsha, Dayang Electric, Johnson Electric, Gree Electric, Air China, Remy, and other enterprises are also our long-term cooperation customers. The world is in a window period of the 4th Industrial Revolution. We're enthusiastic to study and work together with colleagues from all walks of life to vigorously promote the construction of modern industrial system and the upgrading of traditional industries, and accelerate the development of new quality productivity.